You're probably using AI like ChatGPT the wrong way. It's just my opinion, so leave a comment if you disagree, but here are 3 examples. One of the most common tasks everyone uses AI now is to summarize an article or news we don't want to read. So what do you usually do? You probably copy the text and you go to ChatGPT or Claude and then you ask it to summarize it. Or maybe use browser extensions that does it on the page. I hate to break it to you, but I think that's the wrong way. Imagine if you build a custom GPT and you maybe call it a press secretary and you tell that press secretary that this is who you are, this is what you do, this is what you care about, and then every time you're going to share a news article, the AI's job is to tell you exactly what you need to know based on where your goals are. So now when you're asking AI to summarize an article, it's not just summarizing the article like it would for anybody else. It's actually summarizing the article based on the things you care about. Maybe for any news I want to summarize, I want to know how it impacts my business. So I'm going to put that in my prompt within the GPT. So when AI summarizes that news, it actually tells me how it could impact my business. So you see, now the summary I'm getting is a lot more tailored and personalized to me. So I'm not just getting generic summary that anybody else could on ChatGPT, but I'm getting more personalized and tailored results. And again, if you don't have the paid plan for ChatGPT, you can do this on Poe. In Poe, it's just like ChatGPT where you can access a bunch of different models and you can build these custom AI assistants for free. If anyone's already doing this, leave a comment. I want to give you a high five. You're the best. Anyway, moving on to my second example. Let's say you want to create content. Maybe you do that for work, maybe you do that for your business, for marketing, or just to build your personal brand. So most of us, what we do, we go to ChatGPT or Claude and we're like, hey, can you give me content ideas for this? Or can you give me content ideas for my channel or whatnot? ChatGPT will give you ideas. Maybe it will spark some creative juices. Maybe it will be useful. But half the time, it's just generic garbage that's going to litter the internet. But imagine instead of just asking ChatGPT for the ideas for the content, maybe use some social listening tools to leverage some data. For example, we can go to Gummy Search, build our audience in our niche. Now we can look at some trends. We can see top discussions, the pains and angers and solutions people are asking for. Gather all the data. Now bring that to our LLM like ChatGPT or Claude. And now we ask AI to give us some content ideas based on what people want. So ChatGPT or Claude in itself, they don't really have access to that information. Maybe they do, but they don't really know where to look for it because they literally have all that massive amounts of data. But now when we tell them hey, here's what's happening in my community, here's what people care about based on this, and what my content plan is, what my content is about, what my content pillars are, give me some ideas. Now the AI is working a lot more efficiently for us. We're getting a lot more personalized and tailored and useful content ideas. So hopefully this is making sense to you, like how I think about using AI to get better results. So let's move on to the third example. Let's say you want to do a side hustle in 2025 and you need ideas. Again, most of us are just going to go to ChatGPT or Claude and be like, hey, can you give me some side hustle ideas? You're going to get some ideas, but literally a million other people who are asking ChatGPT for side hustle ideas are getting the same results. So you're going to be competing in the big market. But what if you leverage market insights tools like Exploring Topics, where we have trends on different industries, what's trending and whatnot, take the screenshot or extract the data, whichever tool you're using, add it to ChatGPT, and then tell ChatGPT what your skills are, what your experience is, what your interests are, and then ask ChatGPT to give you side hustle ideas based on the first or second order consequences of the trends in the data along with your experience. Now, do you think it's going to give us the same results as it did before? Chances are slim, and the side hustle ideas you're getting are a lot more personalized, tailored, and unique. So the question is, do you agree or disagree that you were actually using AI the wrong way? So hopefully this inspires you to start thinking differently on how to use AI. And if it does, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you later.